Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Realme C25s. Firstly, open your settings, and here need find Convences tools. Then go into screen recording, and then here on the top we got sound block option. The first option is record system sound. This position is activate this option, and record microphone sound. This position of switcher is turn off this option. You can change this and it's save automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.